In this video today, we will see how to manually delete files from your Android device and make more space in your Android phone. Now, since I have a Samsung phone, what I will do is I will tap on this settings icon here, scroll down, and then I will go to this option device care. I will select this option storage. Now here you will be able to see how much of space is left in your phone. For me, I have enough space. I have 26.1 gigabyte free out of 64 gigabyte. Now suppose if you don't have much space left, then what you can do is you can check from here what is taking up more space. For me, applications, they are taking up more space. So what I have to do in this case is I have to check which applications I am not using, and then I have to delete that application. In most cases, either application, videos and images, they take more space. So suppose if I have to uninstall any application, I will go to applications here. I will select the application which I want to delete, and then I can select delete from here. And if I select uninstall, this application will be deleted. Now let me go back. Similarly, you will go to videos and you will see which video is taking up more space. Select that video and then delete. Similarly, go to images, select any image which you don't want, and then delete those images. So this is one thing you can do. Again, go back to this screen here. Now at the top you will see three dotted icons here. Tap on it, select this option storage analysis, and here you can see how much of storage is used. I have used 59%. Okay. And here you will be able to see some important things like duplicate files. So I can see that these files, they are duplicate. Let me tap on this arrow here. You can see I have these two exactly same files. So what I can do is I can select one of the file and then delete. Similarly, I have this same file in two locations. I can select it, delete, and then delete. So in this way, what you can do is you can check duplicate files and then delete so that you can gain more space. And here you can see large files. Select this arrow here, and here you will be able to see which files are taking up more space. If you don't need any of this file, select and then delete. So from here, what you will be able to do is you will be able to check which applications are taking up more space, see if it is necessary or not. If it is not necessary, then delete that file. Let me again go back, and here there is a category which is unused files. I will tap on this arrow here, and here I will be able to see files that I have not used since long time. So what you can do in that case, select the file which you don't need, suppose like this one, and then delete. So in this way also what you can do is you can gain more space. So do all of these things and hopefully you should be able to make some more space in your Android device. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.